one saw me. Feeling hungry, Kongsuni? Oh, Mum! I was just, cleaning the fridge. Yes, that's right. Cleaning. All done! Hang on, Kongsuni. As a special treat, you can help yourself to anything you can find in the fridge. Oh! Oh, Kongsuni, that tummy of yours. If I told you there was ice cream on the moon, you'd probably build a rocket and fly up into space if you could. Kongsuni? Oh. There you are. Anyway, I'm going to the supermarket soon, Kongsuni, so you'll just have to wait for your snack. I hate waiting!
Whoa!
Oh, Sayo! What are you doing here? And why are you dressed as a muffin?
I'm not dressed as a muffin. I, am a muffin. Well, half of a muffin.
But what? Who? How?
Well, I've been working on some new magic, you see.
Magic that turns half of you into a muffin?
No, magic that can make any food you can think of appear, just by thinking of it. The spell somewhat backfired when I first tried it.
Can you try it on the fridge so I can get my snack?
I can try, but as you can see, there are no guarantees of success.
Oh, I'm willing to take the risk.
Okay, here goes! Uh-oh. Oh, I think it worked! Try it out, Kongsuni. Think of some food.
Okay, here goes! It worked! It worked!
Huh. Well, try one more just to be sure.
Wahoo!
Wow, it's actually working. Although, why did you go for cheese?
Hang on, Sayo. There you go.
I don't,
Strawberry cheesecake.
Oh, good one, Kongsuni. Right. Well, I think my work here is well and truly done. I shall take my clearly amazing magical skills elsewhere.
Where are you going?
Wherever I'm needed.
Silly owl. Right, back to this fridge. Huh? What's going on? It was working a second ago. Oh, well, that magic wore off quickly. I better go and tell Sayo to hold off from saving the world. Huh? Oh, uh-oh! Sayo! Sayo?
Wow, being a superhero is hungry work. I wonder if Kongsuni has some snacks for what?
A little help?
No problem.
Wow! Thanks, Sayo!
No problem.
You know, that muffin does look rather delicious.
It sure does. Oh, wait. Hang on. No.